look, this is crazy, but when Webfleet came to us and they said an Englishman, an Irishman and a Welshman are going to try to break a world record in an electric van, I was just waiting for the punchline. It didn't come.
So the record we're trying to beat is 258 miles, and the range of this vehicle is 197 miles.
What? 197 miles?
Well, on paper, the van's range is significantly less than what we're trying to achieve. But what we're doing by doing this test, if you like, in this attempt, is to showcase how efficient driving can massively extend the capable range of a vehicle.
Basically, because we're going to use the sort of 5 efficiency of driving rather than the brute force methods to break a record.
My goal is to get over 300 miles, but my want is to get over 311 miles, because that'll break the 500 kilometre mark, and it's a nice round number.
Kev, are you confident?
If it was windy or very, very wet, the tyres have to shift a lot more water, your efficiency goes down.
Who do you think of the three of you is going to have the best efficiency?
Not Sam.
It's definitely going to be me.
Kev has already got 3 Guinness World Records. Sam has been driving EVs for 20 years.
Yeah.
So it's going to be close.
41 miles.
89 miles.
This safety belt's cutting the neck off me. 162 miles done. What do you want from me? Where am I supposed to put this leg? Okay, I've already got 4 hours of this. There it is!
200.
200 miles!
So far so good. We've got a real tricky middle sector now with the rain. Let's bring it home for Britain.
259. Woohoo! Hey.
311 miles and 500 kilometres, and we're still going.
Right in the face.